Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to mix your natural hair cream. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Yeah guys, mixing this natural hair cream. Here are the recipe. This is shea butter, and this is mango butter, and this is olive oil, and this is our cocoa butter, and this vitamin E. So we are going to mix all this together, then sit it on a boiling water. So that's why you see this other plate here. So I'm going to take them 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'll put them together at 2 tablespoons. That is shea butter. It's a bit hard. I'm adding the mango butter. That's mango butter. And the olive oil. And the vitamin E. This is 20. So I'm adding them all. And the cacao butter. So what I need to do now is to sit it on the boiling water. See that? So everything now is mix it very well, then bring it down and allow it to congeal. So you mix it very well now. Mix it so that it will be that creamy. See, your cream is ready. You can use it to rub, use it for hair treatments. If your hair is breaking, this is very good for it. It stops hair breakage. Then it shines your hair, makes your hair to shine and grow your hair very fast. So it's ready for me to pack it now. Very smooth. See how it's melting. See that?